What is up, my friends? Today we are talking about black stainless steel appliances. We just recently purchased a black stainless steel refrigerator with our recent kitchen remodel, and I gotta say, a lot of things come out of it. Cold water, ice, meats, vegetables, gas. Even though black stainless steel typically is more expensive than regular, this fridge was $100 more than if I was to get regular stainless steel. I gotta say, it is well worth it because this is way easier to maintain. There was a time in my life where if you was to ask me, Tommy, what's your least favorite thing to clean? I would have easily said stainless steel appliances, but not with black stainless steel. So stay tuned as I show you how to clean your black stainless steel with confidence. So my friends, cleaning a black stainless steel refrigerator is real simple. You're gonna need one thing, a microfiber cloth and maybe a little bit of water, and that'll be it. Don't waste your money on stainless steel cleaners because that's exactly what they are, a waste of money. Stainless steel cleaners are nothing more than an upsell for whoever sold you the appliance. Now don't get me wrong, they are great for regular stainless steel, but they are completely unnecessary for black stainless steel. There's really not much you can do to mess this up. Honestly, there's a whole lot of things you shouldn't do with a black stainless steel appliance, and really this video probably should be named How to Scratch Your Black Stainless Steel Appliance. Because in all honesty, when it comes to cleaning, it's easy. Simply take your microfiber cloth and wipe that fridge with the grain. So if that grain is going horizontal, wipe horizontal. If the grain goes vertical, then wipe that fridge vertically. And just for this video, I smeared a little bit of butter on there. Watch how easily this comes off. I simply damped one corner of the microfiber cloth underneath the sink, wipe it off, and then dry it with the dry part of the cloth. Now, if you like microscopic scratches all over your fridge, let's talk about how to scratch it. If you want to scratch your fridge, simply use one of these items right here. Paper towels, napkins, toilet paper, tissues. So why is it that these items will scratch your fridge? Simple. These things are wood-based, and the fibers in those materials is what does the scratching for you. That's why I recommend using this cloth right here. You won't find any of those scratchy fibers whatsoever in the microfiber. Also, to avoid scratching your fridge, avoid the gritty type powders, the cleaning powders, like the baking sodas, Barkeeper's Friend powder, Comet powder. Also, steel wool, scratchy pads, you know, the Scotch-Brite sponges that have the green side. Avoid scrubbing the fridge with those type of materials as well. Very abrasive. Also, you want to avoid harsh chemicals like ammonia, alcohol, Windex, which contains ammonia. All that stuff will strip that finish off over time. You don't want that. If your fridge is heavily soiled and you just absolutely have to use something to get that grease off, feel free to use a little dish soap along the way. You'll be good to go. So that's it, my friends, how to clean your black stainless steel refrigerator. If you like this video, give it a big Clean with Confidence thumbs up, really helps us out. Also, if you want to take our relationship to the next level, drop me a comment down below. I'd love to hear from you guys, and until next time, implement the steps I've outlined in this video, and you will be well on your way to becoming the domesticated cleaning savage that I know you are.
Perceive it or not, but you better stop believing there's power in this product to decrease and devour. A 90-minute job just turn into an hour.